Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Want to know how I achieved this gorgeous spring look? Not a problem, man. All you have to do is continue watching my video, and if you don't like it, just click the like button at the bottom of the screen and subscribe. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I always use a dark brown eyebrow pencil to line my brows and fill them in. I use this eyebrow spoolie to brush in my brows to give them a more natural look. To have my brows looking flawless, I use this brown eyebrow powder from Music Flower to fill them in. To clean up around my brows, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I would normally squeeze a small amount of concealer on the back of my hand, and the brush that I use is an angle brush from Kleancolor. I personally prefer to use this brush. To blend in my concealer, I just use the tip of my finger and use the angle brush to blend in the starting of my brow. Now to prime my eyelid, I use the LA Girl Pro Primer. And the reason for me to use a primer is to ensure that my eyeshadow lasts for the entire day and that it doesn't crease. Now guys, for this eyeshadow that really looks like a purse, I really don't know the name of it. I just went to a wholesale and I saw it and I really like it. It's kind of cute, isn't it? So I can't really link the name of it, but yeah, isn't it cute? Comment and let me know what you think. To start off with this palette, I'm going to use this light pink color to cover the primer. To create a contrast, I'm starting with this coral pink shade and just blend it into the crease of my eyelid. I'm now going in with this tiger orange and just blend, blend, blend. The key is blending. Trust me guys, just blend. I am using this eyeshadow brush to blend in the different colors together to create that lovely contrast, because what we don't want is for the eyeshadow to look harsh. I'm now using this amaranth red. I realized that this palette, even though it is super cute, it is not highly pigmented, so I had to use a lot more than I would usually use, but it still gets the job done. I'm now going in with a cardinal red. And to deepen my crease, I am going in with this purple. And again, I'm using my eyeshadow brush to blend in my eyeshadow so that it is blended with all the different colors and that it is not that harsh. This brush is from Emax Design. Now to do one of my favorite of all things is to create a cut crease, and I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural, and that's the GC972. I really enjoy using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to create my cut crease because it's very easy to use for me, and I think it really gets the job done. The brush that I'm using to create the cut crease is the same brush that I used to clean up around my eyebrow. That's the angle brush. So firstly, I'm going to take this yellow to pat over the concealer. I really like this yellow because it has a little shimmer in it. Then I'm going to take this pretty orangey color to pat on the outer corner of my eyelid. Now I'm going in with this lighter orange and I'm patting it a little on the darker orange so that there is a smooth transition between the two colors. And now I'm taking this white color to put on the inner corner of my eyelid, and I am doing the same thing that I did with the lighter yellow, making a nice transition between two colors. I'm now using this beautiful lavender to darken the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm using this dark purple just to clean up my cut crease and allow it to look a little sharp. Finally, for the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to use this LA Girl Ultra eyeshadow palette. And now to create my wing, I am using this black eyeliner gel from Music Flower. And I'm starting with the outer corner of my eyes to draw my wing. I really enjoy doing a wing. It is super cute and it allows my eyes to look a little more like a cat, more like a cat eye. So I really like drawing a wing, and this eyeliner from Music Flower is awesome. I really like using it. I'm also using this eyeliner to darken my tear line. I really like the look of this. It is so nice. If you draw your wing and you make a mistake, you can always use a concealer to correct it. And now for my foundation, I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation number 335, and I use normal to oily for my skin. So what I'm doing right now is using this flat brush from Vander to put on my foundation, and then I'm using a foundation brush from Emax to blend in my foundation. I would normally use a beauty blender to blend in my foundation, but today I am using this foundation brush to do it. Highlight my face, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, the shade Fawn, and I place a little underneath my eyes. I don't go up to my ears, I just put it a little under my eyes. I will now go ahead and put a little above my lip. A little above my forehead. And a little on my chin. And then I'll use my foundation brush to blend it into my skin. To set my concealer, I use the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Trust me guys, a little goes a long way, especially if you are of a darker tone. Trust me. To contour my face, I use the LA Girl Eye Definition Matte Press Powder. You can use any dark shade press powder to create a contour. You don't have to go for a contour palette. You want, then fine, but I am using a darker shade, and the shade that I use is Taffy. And all I am doing right now is creating a shadow to have my face looking a little slimmer. So to finish up with my eyes, I'm going in with this red. I'm going to put it underneath my eyes to create that nice finishing look. Now I'm going to use a mascara to brush up my lashes. Sorry guys, I don't really wear false lashes because it's my own preference. I don't really like them. But if you want to learn how to apply lashes, I can show you how to in my videos. But I don't like them, so I just rock my own lashes. For my blush, I am using the Milani Bake Powder Blush. I really love this blush, it's super cute. And for my highlighter, I'm using the Rainbow Highlighter from Kleancolor. I just saw this highlighter at a Wholesale and I decided that I was going to try it out. But trust me guys, a little does go a long way. You only need a small amount to put on your face. I learned that the hard way, and even in this video, but I am going to correct it. Don't worry, I'm going to correct it. So here I'm using my blush brush to blend in the highlighter a little so that it is blended properly into my skin and look flawless and cute. I really like how it looks though. And now for my lips, I'm using the red lip liner for my lips. The lipstick for today is the LA Color Matte Lipstick in the shade Delectable. I really like that name though, Delectable. To darken around my lips, I use a brown eyeshadow with a lip brush. To finish my face guys, I use the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray, and I use it to spray all over my face. This allows my makeup to stay in place for the entire day. Now this is the finishing look guys. Comment and tell me what you think. and let me know if you like this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Walk good.